Welcome back, guys, to part 7 of the DIY Overland trailer build. Alright guys, we left off last week on the we got the sides and the nose done. We are picking back up with the back door and then the roof. So let's get at it.
I hope she doesn't flip over and smack me with that stick. That would be funny. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. What you doing, Boopy-doo? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Chewing on your stick? Yep. Having a good time, aren't you? Enjoying this weather. You're silly. You're a silly girl. You know that? Are your chompers all nice and clean? What, are your chompers nice and clean? You're silly.
Alright, let's let that dry a little bit. Y'all hear the crow in the back?
Mm-hmm.
You hear it?
Yeah.
You know why you can't ever hit a crow when it's in the middle of the road?
Why?
Because there's always another one up in the tree beside the road watching.
Uh-huh.
And every time they see a car coming, they go, caw, caw, caw. And the other one, so it's telling the other one there's a car coming. That's why you can't ever hit one in the road. True story.
True story, huh?
Yep.
Nice.
Now you know.
He's a little corny. Yeah.
Is it? Coats of glue on it. Good. Alright guys, here's what we're going to do around the openings of the door here where the edge of the plywood is. We're going to, we bought some angle iron aluminum. It's 1/16 of an inch. And so we're just going to basically fit, we're just going to cut these, fit them around inside the opening here of the door, and that'll kind of protect the edge of this plywood and the poor man's fiberglass. And so the door, when the door shuts, that'll also seal off around that. So I think we're ready to go ahead and put this one piece in. Rivet gun. Rivet.
The rivet gun
We'll make it.
through another door.
Yeah. Uh-oh, it broke again. Are you serious?
It's cereal.
What the world? Didn't even do one.
No, it did two on the other side, but not on this door.
Man, broke.
Oh.
Alright guys, put another coat or two on top of that and it will be. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this week. Join us next week as we finish the doors and the poor man's fiberglass on those. I got one coat left on top to put, and I'll probably just come out in the morning and do that. So thank you for watching again, and if you have not subscribed, I ask you to subscribe and join us this spring on our spring and summer adventures. And if we finally get to take this guy out and start using it, I'm ready.
Me too. I'm excited.
Yeah, it's can't come fast enough.
No, it's a hit.
Anyway, y'all have a blessed week, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye. I got this glue everywhere. My skin was peeling.
Just say you have eczema or something like that. Just shake people's hair and be like, oh, I hope that's not contagious.
You're so... Well, hey guys, that's going to be it for this week's video. And join us next week as we finish up the doors and get this thing closed in. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and join us on this year's spring and summer trips. And what a dork. Oh my gosh. Poor man's fiberglass put on it. And we'll get it closed up and ready for this spring here shortly. What a dork.